Okay, what's up everybody? In this video, we will learn about fetching YouTube live chat using Python. Before we get started to the video, I hope you have basic knowledge writing code using Python. So, let's get started. The first thing you have to do is you have to install PyTchat. You can search on Google and then click this website. Copy it. Open your command prompt and paste it. Before you download it, make sure your internet connection is available. Then click enter. Because I have installed this package, the output will be like this. If you haven't installed this package, you can wait the process until it's done. Okay, we scroll down the website and then we copy this. Open your VS Code, make a new file, YouTube live chat.py, and paste it. You can change the video ID to be what you want. You can search it on YouTube. Live. Okay. There are a lot of YouTube channels that currently streaming. For example, I want to choose PUBG Mobile streaming. Okay. Pause the video. We copy the video ID into our code. And run it. As you can see, the output from YouTube live chat is same with the output from your code. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn about fetching YouTube live chat with specific format. Okay, see you in the next video.